Hi guys, welcome back to the next video in the series here in the Dungeon Studio. And today we are gonna talk about this guy here. It's a Dremel. The reason it's already unboxed is because I started recording and then my phone decided that it's not gonna do it, so I have to do it all over again. So it's not the first unboxing, but yeah, it happens. So it's the Dremel 4300 that I got here. It has 9 attachments. It has some tools that come with it, and the box was in this box and then in this box, and yeah, over packaging again. So we have here, it's a really nice sturdy box, okay, so your tools, nothing gonna happen to them. Aluminum, hard plastic, nice latches, okay. Open the latches, comes up like here, like this, and you have some foam inside protecting the tools so they're nice and safe when they get to you. It's really nice. I love the box. You have manuals and things like that, okay. This is what I really like about the kit that I got. It has the flex shaft included. It's gonna be really handy when I'm gonna do some carving. I really hope I'm gonna get to do some carving. I'm looking forward to putting some wood spirits in some table legs, but that will be a different story for a different day. Okay, this is a piece that it belongs to the, probably to the circle cutter. We have here this little handy thing that is for detail grip. Okay, you hold this like that, the tool goes in there, and then you have a better grip on the tool when you're doing detailed work. Might help you with cutting. This is also a cutting hat that lets you see through it, so you see where the tool goes and what it's cutting when you're working with it. Okay, this is the tool itself. There are 1001 videos on showing you how this tool works and why it's so cool. It had a little plastic label here that you have to remove to be able to turn on the LED. LED, it's not super duper bright, but it actually has to have to see just in front of the tool. I guess it does the job. Okay, you have a little blocking knob here that will block the spindle so you can open it. Okay, you can open the chuck and you can put various dimension tools in there, and you can change it really fast because you don't need the cumbersome key to do that. Okay, you have the on-off button, and then you have the speed selector here, which is kind of smooth but also a little bit clicky. Okay, you have big air intake and output. You have this little thing that will let you hang the tool if you want to hang it somewhere, and of course the power cord. Okay. Now I'm gonna be removing this because I'm gonna put other things inside with the tool, and I'm gonna need the space. Another thing that I like about this box is that it opens up and ta-da, you have a drawer. Okay, it's a proper toolbox and I like it for that. Okay, inside here you have some of the tools, you have some stones, you have some wire wheels, you have a tiny little rouge, which is cute in my opinion. There's a little ventilator that will blow away the dust while you're cutting with it. That's nice. There's another box with cutting wheels. You have again a lot of sandpaper, and you have some polishing wheels and other cutting wheels. Okay, this is the sanding guide. This one here is the garden tool sharpener. Okay, so it's basically it's an angle guide where you put the tool in, and then you have a consistent angle to sharpen things like a chisel, probably an axe, things like that. A screwdriver, flathead screwdriver. You have the plastic see-through little thing, so it doesn't blow stuff in your eyes, but use protection anyway. Okay, this is another thing that I really like about this tool. This is the angle attachment, the right angle attachment. There will be situations when you cannot go in straight up like this, okay? So you attach this to it, and then it can go like this, it can go like that, it can go like that, you know, in that little corner like there, it fits really, really nice. So this is a really good attachment to have. This one and this one are things that you should absolutely have. Okay, and another thing that I already talked about is this one. This is the circle cutter, okay? And oh look, you have a little nice depth gauge. If you don't want to go that deep, you can use this to tell the tool how deep you go into the material, which is really nice. I like that. And open this knob, okay, and you can select in centimeters, okay, or you also have here inches, okay, on how big you want the circle to be. I see there's a little pin here that pricks into something. I don't know why. If you know what this little pin here does, let me know. So basically what you do is that you put a little screw in the place where you want to do the circle, okay, and you use this guide here. Yeah, probably the little pin is to show you where the guide is at. Okay, so 3 inches, 4 inches, 5 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches. Okay. And so you put this in, the screw holds it, and then you go with the tool like this, and it will cut a perfect circle, semicircle, whatever your need is. So this is a really, really good tool to have. And that's about it. The drawer is empty. So again, I will remove that because I have some other goodies in here that I want to go in there. So they are all together. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Okay, it came in this. It's 20-piece carbide head cutting tools. Okay, these are carbide little burrs. I'm gonna try to come closer and show you. Okay, so you can use these to cut into wood, plastic, scored glass, soft metal like aluminum, and you can do grooves, shapes, whatever your need is. So this is a little extra something that I picked up for my Dremel. I'm hoping to do some wood spirits in some table legs in the future, but that will be a story for a different day. Never done that. Hope I'm gonna nail it. Let me know if you did and how it turned out. Of course, down in the comments. These too tall? No, they're not tall. Okay, good. I'm gonna leave all that in there. That. Okay. Good. Okay. This one goes in there. Nice and loose. Don't put too many kinks in there. Okay, next, let's see what's in this one. This one, oh, this one is refill ink for my printer. You don't want to see that. Okay, yeah, this one. are. Okay, this is another thing that I got with the tool, because once you start using it, you're gonna go through those little tools like crazy. So I bought a set with a whole bunch of them. Okay, I have wire brushes, stones, drums, and a whole bunch of sanders that go on the drums. Okay, it's nice because it's really organized. Okay, you're gonna have to be organized with tools that are this small, because you are gonna lose them fast. Okay, when they're this small, they just go whoosh. So here they are, a whole bunch of stones, papers. This one came off. I think this one goes in there. Don't know where this drum came from. Probably from here. To drum up some drama, huh? Okay, you have things to do holes with, things to, okay, the wire brushes, actual wire, different type of wire, plastic brushes. You have brushes like this with little paddles, but they're made from sanding paper. And you have the little buffing discs, a little diamond disc, and a whole bunch of paper discs. I'm going to try to bring this closer for you to take a look. I'm not going to take them out because I don't really need them right now. Here it is. This is how it looks like. So I don't think I can fit them in here. Yeah, if they would be loose, they would fit, but as a box like that, they don't. So it's a good thing they have a box. Okay guys, so this is it for today. You saw my Dremel, you saw the things that I bought for the Dremel, and other things that I bought for my printer. This is all for today. Thank you all for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to keep the internet alive. And come see me on the next one. Thanks and bye-bye.